Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get brick mastery in slap battles easily. Start by learning the brick's hitbox and optimal swing, timing to maximize stun and knockback. Practice short dash cancels to keep momentum and land consecutive hits. Use environmental edges to combo opponents into traps and stun locks. Track your improvement by recording sessions and noting repeatable setups, then refine spacing and timing until your mastery becomes reliable. Master 3 fundamental techniques to dominate with brick: dash cancels, edge combos, and delayed swings. Dash cancels let you maintain momentum and avoid counterattacks while chaining hits. Edge combos exploit stage geometry to trap players and score follow-up slaps. Delayed swings bait blocks and create punish windows for heavy damage. Practice each drill separately, then combine them in short matches to build fluidity and confidence in real situations. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tips. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks, so go darn tough. They are comfy and come with a lifetime warranty, which makes them an easy upgrade for long gaming sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a pair. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Level up with advanced habits that separate good players from great ones. Learn common spawn and item locations to predict opponent movement and set traps. Observe experienced players to internalize frame-perfect timings and replicable setups for stun locks. Manage your stamina and recovery windows to reduce vulnerability after heavy swings. Finally, keep a list of favorite combos and rehearse them until muscle memory makes clutch plays feel natural in any match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.